So we are back guys with another video. Tutuloy natin tong shawarma kasi di ko siya natapos kahapon kakainis. Di ko alam na kailangan pala tawagan yung hype na babae na dumating nung last video. Sige, i-start na ulit tayo at bala ko siguro dito sa video na to na tapusin tong buong laro na to kasi maganda naman siya Hindi ko lang alam na literal pala tayong gagawa ng shawarma pero goods na rin naman. Okay, eto na ulit.
Before your shift starts, I must inform you with some rules.
Yeah.
They're quite flexible,
So,
so I'll tell
kailangan
you
natin
what
mag...
change.
And eto na naman siya. So, chicken shawarma, chicken, lettuce, dalawa, coming right up. So, 1 and 2. Boom and bam. Nice one. Hindi ko alam na pwede pala gawin yun. Hindi natin kailangan. Gusto kasi nakasarado. That malinis tayo. And what can I get for you, sir? Tatlong black cola and isang chicken. Lettuce shawarma. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And isa pang shawarma. Chicken lettuce. Okay, 1 and both. And nice one. Isa pa para mabilisan natin. Ooh. Okay. Nakalimutan kong okay. So hello ulit, magandang ate. Hello. So kailangan natin ayusin to. Yes, and kung natatandaan ko, lalabas dito yung shut your bitches. So ang itim niya. First time ko maglaro ng horror game. So kaya ko ba itong Inan. Thank you as well for being handsome. I thank you for that. Okay, so ituloy na natin kung ano ginagawa ulit natin. Boom. So guys, kung meron kayong suggestion kung anong gusto nyo laruin ko sa Roblox, i-ano na lang dyan sa comment section. Kahit alam kong walang nanonood, pero okay lang yan. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin, palag-palag pa rin. Dapat hindi tayo sumusuko sa mga gusto nating gawin. And dalawa pang shawarma chicken. So kahapon pala, hindi ko alam na kailangan mo talagang mismong pindutin ito para mag-save. Ang ginagawa ko, literal na pinipindot kong 1801.
Nice to see you alive. I mean, you did a great pal. You really do box on your shawarma, I see.
Yeah.
There is some improvements over here. We have added tomatoes.
Yeah, I like tomatoes.
The selection is remember I told you that truth flexible.
Yeah,
So
I remember. Siblings may come around. Pero ano ba itsura ng siblings na yun? Kasi last video, meron dumating. Pero tingin ko hindi siya sibling kasi sabi daw may dalang Yeah. Natatandaan ko na yan. Please shut the fuck up. Paano na skip to? Yes. So 1801.
Wait up. You wait up with your mind. Come back in and I will know which one is the transfer.
So nakapag-save na tayo. So pag natalo tayo ay take 2 na agad. So bala kong sorry, wait lang sir, kailangan kong ma-shoot to para sa akin. Nice one. And next customer please. Next. Holy shit. So kailangan natin lumabas. Boom. And Missing. Feeling ko ito yung babae na ano din eh. Yung babae na multo. Siya ba ang babae na multo na makikita natin next? Dito. Siya nga ba? I'm pretty sure makikita ko siya. Please find him and call. You didn't specify that yesterday, you know. Kasi na-serve ko na siya nung... Okay, hello? What can I get for you, sir? Bloxy Cola, shawarma chicken lettuce. Okay. Kobe. Shawarma chicken lettuce. Gusto niya na OG. OG Kush. Okay. And chicken. Boom. Bang. Thank you, sir. Next customer. And come on. Next customer, please. And hey, what's the deal with the trash bag?
Want your own business. Just shut up and
Shut up, bitch. Iya mo talaga ako sa boss. I will do my business. 4023. 4023. Hello? Okay ka lang? Sige po. Thank you! Inen. So, feeling ko lalabas na yung twin. Feeling ko lang. Feeling lang naman. Ito nga. Shawarma chicken tomato, shawarma chicken lettuce. Siya nga siguro yung twin. Shawarma chicken tomato. Shawarma chicken tomato, shawarma chicken lettuce. So basic lang. Isang tomato, isang lettuce. Ba't palakas ng palakas yung tunog? Ano mangyayari pagka ano? Thank you, twin number 1. Ay, sibling number 1. Next, please. And, okay. Tatandaan ko naman. I remember. Boom. Lettuce. And some lavash. Chicken. And lettuce. And bam. Thank you, sir. Huh? Next customer, please. So sabi, naririnig ko siya dito sa side na to. Oh shit. Naiya mo talaga ako dun. Next customer, please. Next customer, please. Who the fuck? Grabe. Pero sige, okay lang. At itong... Uy! Shit! Uy! Fuck! Stupid! Di mo matatakot basta-basta, boy. Oh my god. Okay, coming right up. And come back, sir, please. Masyado akong payat. Kailangan mong tumaba. Hindi ka malusog. Hello, ma'am. Can I get your number, please? No? Sige po. Thank you, ma'am. Balik po kayo, ha? Ma'am, balik po kayo, ma'am, ha? And that is day 2. Okay, night 3 na tayo. And okay.
You're still alive. I mean, what's up, Roski?
What's
We
up?
have received some feedback from our customers, so we added some new topics and new tricks.
Yeah, alright.
And yeah, Roski mentioned the security and
Tomato pickles.
now, if lights will shut down, hide underneath the table by the meeting. And keep your eyes closed. Do not open them until lights will go on. And the last one. You might feel something creeping above. Under no circumstances, do not look up. Just
Do not
handle
look
all this
up.
like usual.
Di ko na gets ulit. 1801.
Good. Now, if you break one of the rules, I'll ask the manager to transfer you here.
Thank you. Ring. Ooh, shit. So keep my eyes closed. Oh. Oh. May naririnig ako. And thank you. Next customer po. Ooh.
Give me it. Wrap meat.
Wrap meat. Ito.
Thanks. Be careful.
Ikaw din. Who the fuck? Uy. Okay. Check that! So, kakaroon ba na anomaly? Feeling ko kasi every... Yo!
Finally, first time in my life I can taste something normal. Give me your most stuffed position, and color would be nice.
Most stuff position. Sige po. I will give you some lavash, chicken, lettuce, tomato, pickles, some cheese, and fries. Ito na po ang most top composition namin. And call me now. Okay lang po. I can fix you. Get your bitch ass out of my store.
Thank you so much. You're the
Huh?
first to understand me.
Oh! May tumutulo na. Oh, namatay na naman yung ilaw. Holy shit. So, kailangan ko lang maghintay hanggang bumukas ulit yung ilaw. Ayan na. So, yun na yun. Oh. Boom. So, next po. Nakangati na ilong. Uy. Oh my god. Sala. Uy. May tumatawag. Hello?
Yo, you're still alive? Wow.
Talaga.
You know, I am really amazed.
Huh?
I thought it's not possible to survive here. But you did.
I'm built different, boy.
Object was considered as one of the hardest. Congrats.
Object? Ano object?
But honestly, we can't set you free.
Huh?
You know, you might say too much inside the object.
Object?
Have you noticed there is no exit? Like, literally. Didn't it bother you?
Huh?
Yet, your actions will be recorded. Thank you for completing this object. Bye bye.
What? What? Huh? na yun. Punyeta. Napaka anticlimactic. What the hell? Kala ko hanggang night 5. So yun na guys. Chicken shawarma, lettuce, pokutang. Oh my god, So kung i-rate ko tong laro na to, 6/10. Masyado siyang maiksi at masyado din siyang wala masyado nangyayari sa isang gabi. Walang alam kung may different endings dito, pero di mo na makikita maglalaro nito. Ayoko na!
Huh? Huh? You stupid